Data is everywhere, and it's all a mess. A total nightmare for analysis. Stop cleaning it manually. Twistly Cells gets it done for you. The ultimate ChatGPT for Excel add-in. Here's the workflow. Step 1. AI.EXTRACT. We instantly pull structure from unstructured text, names, student IDs, and department codes. Step 2. AI.FORMAT. Standardize everything. Dates now look clean. Step 3. AI.ASK. Instead of reading through hundreds of rows, just ask, summarize all 25 surveys, show average scores, key pros and cons, and one fix for the dean. This is data cleaning without the grunt work. Save 5+ hours every week to focus on what actually matters. Time to bring order to the data.